Hey there. So there's this shop vac, well, dust collection system thing that needs a power switch, and has a bit of a strange power switch. So I thought I would see if I could fix this one, and sure enough, I pulled it apart and it was packed solid with dirt. So I cleaned that out with some Loctite here contact cleaner. So one of the things is one of these contacts was corroded. It's a double pole, single throw fiberglass pin to try to polish this up. These are available at Radio Shack or wherever. Pretty much anywhere that sells a soldering iron should have a fiberglass pen. You see it's polishing the contact up really nice. It's almost back to factory. So, and these aren't very complex switches either. The tricky part is getting in here and doing this one. So that's where this pen comes in really handy. Just put it on the contact and spin it a lot. And I do mean a lot. But that's the general idea. I've taken a little off of this, obviously, so I might just try to bend it a little bit. Not much. I mean, a teeny tiny bit. Then put it back. Make sure you get these back in the right spot. If you've got one that's good and one that's been repaired, at least the good one should continue to function. Alright. Hard to flip over there. So I've got both of those mounted back the way they go. Now what's missing here is some lubrication on top of these. And these little pegs glide over the top of the copper bars. Okay, well, failing having the correct thing handy, I'm going to just use a little bit of machine oil and just a tiny drop on each of these two. I'll probably go back and fix this better later. But for right now, that should be sufficient. These are nice and clean. These are graphite, I think. So, anyway, key to this switch, I think, is getting this in the right position. Yeah, I don't think the safety mechanism works right on this anymore. Oh, maybe. There we go. Maybe it does. But the real test here, obviously, is does it work? Okay. Alright, here is the one we just repaired. And here's the one that was not damaged. So, that is an improvement. It was not doing that before. So, yeah, don't run out and buy a new switch necessarily if the old one breaks. Sometimes it's just a matter of maintenance. Yeah, there we go. So the safety mechanism does work. Look at that. Awesome. Well, that's probably a $30 switch, so that was worth fixing, I think. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.